And for another, my name is Jamie. I'm so excited to be checking out RØDE's white collection and upping my audio game going into the new year. If you've been subscribed to the channel for some time, you'll know that my audio those first couple years was a little iffy, but RØDE's wireless Go 2s were actually my saving grace, and they've just made things so much simpler. I've actually even upgraded into the Pro version. Absolutely love them. But now I'm going to be upgrading my desk setup, not the one right behind me. I have a different desk setup right behind this camera here, where I spend the majority of my 9 to 5 as my gaming PC, and I do want to get into some streaming, so I'm so excited to be setting this up and checking out these products. Let's go ahead and get started with the all-white pod mic. I've never had a proper pod mic or anything like that to do voiceovers, so I'm so excited to be checking this out. And if you know me, my aesthetic is definitely on the white side. I do like lighter and brighter colors. And it's a box within a box. We love to unbox. Ooh, nice. Oh, look at that. It looks so good and pristine. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to start doing voiceover in my videos. I kind of like this live action shot, and I'm gonna have to do some scripting and start really utilizing this. Again, I do want to get into streaming. I actually started a different channel based around Pokemon cards. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check it out. But I do want to start streaming and playing, and this would be so cool. I'm gonna look extra fancy in my work calls as well. Awesome. All right, next, let's go ahead and check out the Rodecaster Duo, also in white, of course. Never had anything like this, and I'm so excited to be adding this to my PC setup. Again, upping my audio game. There's so many different things you can do, especially if you're live streaming, podcasting. And oh, look at that. It looks so cute. All the colors in white. Ooh. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. So nice. And it feels so good in the hands as well. All right, awesome, okay. Ooh. Cool, these are buttons. These aren't actually buttons, but I assume they respond to touch when they light up. Awesome, we do have 2 XLRs. You do get Ethernet here, because this could just power your podcast all by itself, no computer required. And then you do have a slot for micro SD card. Let's go ahead and check out the headphones here. And of course, these are the NTH 100s professional over-the-ear headphones, also in white. These look so fancy, and they're so soft. It's like silk. All right, let's try them on. Oh my God, they feel so comfortable. And just the ear cups and the earmuffs alone are creating some sound canceling. Awesome, and they don't feel heavy or clunky on my head right now, which I do appreciate, which is kind of why I avoid these. The AirPod Maxes, those even feel a little clunky and chunky on my head, but these feel so nice. And yes, that white color, that white aesthetic, it's gonna look so good when we do finally set it up over there on the desk. All right, next up, let's go ahead and check out the PSA 1 Plus Professional Studio Arm. Of course, it's gonna be in white. Look at that, that looks so good. That aesthetic looks so clean. This is a longer one. We really need to shimmy this guy out of here. This is gonna look so good on my gaming desk, work desk. Get ready, Instagram, because you're gonna be seeing a lot of desk content. So cool. Every week during recycling, my neighbors look at me like, must think I'm crazy with all the boxes that I put up. Ooh, I love this little, ooh, it just springs to life there. Loves, and some clampy mechanics. And last but not least, of course, we are gonna need an XLR cable. So here we are. RØDE did absolutely hook us up. And unfortunately, this is not in white, but I do think it's gonna go really good again with the RØDE pod mic. The black aesthetic is just gonna blend so nicely, and they're just gonna complement each other oh so much. And the little earmuffs. So there are hints of black in the setup, and there's also hints of black in my actual PC setup as well. All right, now that we have all our new friends unboxed, let's go ahead and set it up and see how they look. Now, as someone who knows nothing about audio, that was quick, easy, as well as fun to set up. Thank you so much, RØDE, for sending all of this stuff out. You gave me absolutely no excuse now to start live streaming here on YouTube in 2024. Go ahead and comment down below what you feel about this all-white setup. Personally, I'm in love with it. Or if you'd like to see a full breakdown of my gaming desk, soon to be streaming desk. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, I'll see ya.